Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to draw and send Doodle in Instagram chat. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open an Instagram application on your phone. Then you want to go and open any DM. Let's say that I will type for ZaneZone24 right here. Now, in order to send a doodle, you just have to click on this sticker icon on the bottom right side. Then you want to type here doodles, just like so. Then you want to pick the doodle that you want to send. I'm going to send this doodle, for example, this hard doodle. Now, let's say that you want to create your own doodle. In order to do so, you just have to go back, just like so. Then you want to go and click on the plus icon on the bottom right side. Then you want to click on draw. Now we can draw your own doodle. It will open a screen just like so. Now I'm going to type here Zane, for example. Then if you want to send it, you can simply click on this send icon on the bottom right side. You can also choose a different color. Let's say this one here, for example. Then if you want to delete your own doodle, you just have to click on it, just hold on it like so, or simply click on this eraser tool on the top right side and erase it like so, or hold on it and you will be able to delete it if you want to delete it. And now I'm going to click on send, and here, as you can see, it was sent to this friend right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.